Belly fat or stomach fat is one thing we can't digest it for a long time. Owning belly fat for a prolonged time and if not overcome at right time may lead to severe health problems in future. Belly fat is very stubborn and irritating around the abdomen. Someday it may even down our confidence levels and make us feel depressed too. Dieting and exercise go hand in hand. If you thought that only dieting will burn your belly fat, you are wrong. If you really want to lose weight, you need to include an hour of exercise in your daily routine for targeting and reducing belly fat. Here are 10 exercises to help you lose belly fat faster. 1. Crunches. Lie flat on your back with your feet flat on the ground, or resting on a bench with your knees bent at a 90-degree angle. If you are resting your feet on a bench, place them 3 to 4 inches apart and point your toes inward so they touch. Now place your hands lightly on either side of your head, keeping your elbows in. While pushing the small of your back down in the floor to better isolate your abdominal muscles, begin to roll your shoulders off the floor. Continue to push down as hard as you can with your lower back as you contract your abdominals and exhale. Your shoulders should come up off the floor only about 4 inches, and your lower back should remain on the floor. At the top of the movement, contract your abdominals hard and keep the contraction for a second. 2. Jogging. If you are not into running, try jogging. Research shows that jogging is better at breaking down unwanted belly fat when compared with weightlifting. This is a good form of aerobic exercise that is useful for fighting fat and staying fit. 3. Bicycle exercise. Lie on the floor and keep your hands either by your sides or behind your head as you do in crunches. Lift both your legs off the ground and bend them at the knees. Bring your right knee close to your chest, keeping your left leg away. Now take your right leg away and bring your left leg close to your chest. Keep doing this as if you are paddling a bicycle. 4. Bend side to side. Stand erect with your feet together and keep your hands to the sides. Keeping your legs grounded, bend your body to the right as much as possible till you feel a strain on your left waist. As you do so, ensure your right hand is on the right hip, and the left hand is raised upwards. Stay in the position for 15 seconds. Return to the original position. Now bend to the left, and retain the position for another 15 seconds. 5. Cardio. Cardio is one of the most effective ways to burn calories and shed unwanted flab from your body. Cardio exercises are immensely helpful in reducing belly fat. Doing cardio on a regular basis will offer you other health benefits such as reduction of stress, an increase in your lung capacity, better sleep, and a sense of overall well-being. 6. Swimming. With swimming, you get the benefits of cardio from losing weight to toning your body all at the same time. The strokes you choose should be up-tempo and strenuous in order to help you burn more calories. You can start by going for a swim once or twice every week. 7. Lift weights. Weight training is a great tool for losing weight, toning muscles, and it can actually help your body burn calories more efficiently. Experts recommend incorporating 2 to 3 weight training sessions per week, with noticeable results in just a few weeks. 8. Lunge twist. Lunge twist can really help those who want to shed their excess tummy fat in a super fast way. Stand straight on the ground with your legs apart, slightly bend your knees. Align your hands with your shoulders in parallel to the ground. Take a big step forward with your right leg, such that your right knee makes a 90-degree angle with the ground. At this position, your left leg should be backward, resting on toes. The spine should be straight, and twist your upper body to the right and left. 9. Vertical leg crunch. To perform this exercise, you require to lie on your back and extend your legs into the air. Your legs should be kept straight as it helps to tone your hip flexor and thigh muscles. The hands should be placed at the back of your head or next to your hips to let your lower back remain flat. You can activate and isolate your obliques more efficiently keeping your ankles crossed while doing this exercise. Lift your shoulder blades and raise your upper body while contracting your ab muscles to reach your chest. Do not move your legs while you lift your chest. Then come back to your initial position by lowering your shoulder blades and then again lifting them for 10 to 15 repetitions. 10. Squats. Can't get rid of that extra fat around your thighs and butt? Fret not. When you do squats correctly, you engage your entire lower body and your core. Squats are one of the best-seller bodyweight exercises to burn fat from the thighs and glutes, and get your lower body in shape in no time. Squats are popular amongst bodybuilders and athletes because they work. Once you get a accustomed to the regular type, you can alter the speed, maximize the reps, try new variations like jump squats, barbell squats, pistol squats, and challenge yourself. Eat right. Reducing abdominal fat is 80% about eating the right food. Have a healthy and balanced diet with adequate macro and micronutrients. Most importantly, skip takeaways and fast foods. Eat food prepared at home. Drink water. Water can be really helpful for flat belly. It is 100% calorie-free, helps you burn more calories and may even suppress your appetite if consumed before meals. However, keep in mind that you're going to have to do a lot more than just drink water if you need to lose a significant amount of weight. Get enough sleep. Adequate sleep is very important for weight management. Everyone needs 6 to 8 hours of sleep. According to a recent study, too much of sleep or the lack of it can lead to weight gain. Now that you know the different kinds of exercises and other methods to reduce belly fat, take a step and start the journey to a flat belly.